Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Hey, if you follow us, you're probably looking at this saying, whoa, what's going on there? We're out here at night. We never shoot anything at night, but we're out here at night because it's just a busy time right now. So we're really burning the midnight oil, trying to get some stuff done. Anyway, I ran into a quick issue where I need to drill a bunch of holes. I need to do like 50 of these for this little project we're working on, and they need to be in a perfectly straight line down through here. Now you can see I've already marked off all the holes, but I need to make sure these guys are not off at all, because if they are, it's going to look jacked up on the project. We definitely don't want that. So if you already follow us, you know, hey, we don't have an expensive shop. We don't have like professional grade tools. We've got homeowner grade tools that we really baby along, and we just make things work as inexpensively as possible. So we don't have like some super $5,000 drill press. We don't have some super complex jig set up to do this. So how can we get these things really straight? Well, I'm going to show you. If you just got a piece of scrap wood and a clamp, you're in business. Okay, so as you can see, the drill press is pretty simple, and actually the fact that I'm even using the drill press instead of just a freehand cordless drill, this makes a ton of difference for the accuracy of the holes that I'm drilling. But still, there's a little element of variability in this. So as you can see, I've got my holes marked off here, and I can use the drill press. I can beat in on those holes pretty good, but by the time I do 50 of these, which is about what I've got to do, they really might have a tendency to be off just a hair here or there, and in the final project it's going to be obvious. So what do? I'm going to take just a scrap piece of wood. I'm going to clamp it in place so I can run this up against it every single time. I'm going to hone in on one of these and sort of hold it in place with my bit. There you go. Now I'm going to put a scrap piece up against it. Make sure it's flat up against it. And then I will just clamp that to the base. Now, there we go. Now every time we do this, bam, bam, it'll be the same every single time, or at least the same distance from the edge of this board. All right, I'll do a few and show you what I'm talking about, just in case you're not clear. Woo, look at that. All right, looking very nice. Perfectly straight line going right across there. We'll put the pegs in here, then with the drill press and all, and with our little jig, everything will be perfectly in line and perfectly straight up and down. That's exactly what we want. Hey, thanks a lot for hanging out with me here for a few minutes. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, maybe some way I can do this a little better, that'd be even better. Anything at all like that, please let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you here for more tips like this. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. See you next time.